to Section 5, Enzymes. Key concept, enzymes are catalysts for chemical reactions in living things. Enzymes are a type of protein that are biological catalysts that speed up the chemical reactions of the cell. Catalysts lower activation energy. Catalysts are substances that speed up chemical reactions by decreasing activation energy and increasing the reaction rate. Enzymatic reactions occur faster and at lower temperatures because enzymes lower the activation energy for that chemical reaction. Enzymes allow chemical reactions to occur under tightly controlled conditions such as in your body. Your digestive enzymes can only work under a narrow range of temperature and pH. This is one reason why when you're sick and run a fever, you oftentimes aren't hungry because your digestive system has slowed down. Enzymes are never consumed or used up during the reaction. They can do their job over and over again. Disruptions in homeostasis can prevent enzymes from functioning. Enzymes catalyze both the forward and reverse at the same reaction. Enzymes can be denatured by temperatures and pH levels outside the optimal range for that particular enzyme. For example, the protein in your hair can be denatured by adding heat like a curling iron. This disrupts the hydrogen bonds and reforms the structure. After you wash it, your hair returns because those bonds are allowed to reform. Enzymes are highly specific for just one substrate. The enzyme has an active site with a unique three-dimensional shape, which this substrate must fit. The lock and key model is one you'll see often. It helps illustrate how enzymes function. Each individual enzyme is like a lock that will only accept one specific substrate or key. These enzymes can make or break new products. For example, lactase is an enzyme that accepts the lactose molecule and breaks it into two individual substrates, the monomers glucose and galactose. Enzymes are truly amazing proteins that play a vital role